all around. Someone to take the wheel. What came out? Let's go see George. Let's go see George. Hi, George. George the monkey. We know Curious George. Yeah. Should we put him back in? Put him back in. Say bye-bye, George. Put him in his house. Okay. Michael, spin this one. Oh, here he's coming. He's coming. How'd that happen? Okay, we'll back up a little bit. We want to put him back in?
Back
Okay.
in.
Goodbye, George. He came back out. Hi, George. Get in there. Get in there, George. Okay. We'll back up a little bit.
Oh, no, done.
One more time? I'm done. Okay, put him back in, Michael. Okay. One more time. We'll listen to the music. Should we do it one more time?
Not done. You want? No. Okay. Oh, you want?
Yeah. They're kind of half scared. He's going to come out and see us. Here he comes. Pop. Pop. How'd that happen?